Replacing the windows in your Redmond home is one of the best ways to improve comfort, energy efficiency, and curb appeal. But many homeowners worry that choosing high-quality windows means stretching their budget further than they'd like. The good news? There are budget-friendly replacement window options that offer excellent performance and durability, without compromising on the features that matter most. Whether you're looking to reduce drafts, brighten your home, or upgrade outdated frames, here are the top affordable window options that deliver long-term value for Redmond homeowners. Vinyl windows. The best balance of affordability and performance. Vinyl windows are one of the most popular budget-friendly choices for homeowners in Redmond, and for good reason. They offer impressive durability, energy efficiency, and style without the high cost of wood or fiberglass. Vinyl windows provide excellent insulation, ideal for Redmond's cool winters. Low maintenance with no painting or staining required. Strong resistance to moisture, rot, and warping. A wide range of colors and configurations. Because vinyl is manufactured efficiently, you get premium performance at a lower price point, making it the perfect option for cost-conscious homeowners. Double-hung windows. Affordable, versatile, and timeless double-hung windows remain a top choice for those seeking an economical yet reliable option. With two operable sashes that slide vertically, they offer classic appeal along with practical ventilation. Benefits include easy cleaning and maintenance, flexible airflow by opening the top, bottom, or both. Compatibility with most home styles in Redmond. Lower cost than more complex window designs. Best of all, double-hung windows are widely available in vinyl, which further enhances their value and affordability. Slider windows. Cost-effective and perfect for wider openings. If you have wide window openings or want a style that lets in plenty of natural light, slider windows offer excellent value. Their simple design, with sashes that glide horizontally, means fewer mechanical parts, lower maintenance, and a lower overall price. Slider windows are ideal for Redmond homes because they provide expansive views and maximize sunlight, operate smoothly with minimal wear, deliver great ventilation when opened fully, cost less due to simple hardware and construction. They're especially well suited for living rooms, basements, and wide wall spaces. Picture windows. Maximum light, minimum cost. For homeowners who want to brighten their space without blowing the budget, picture windows are one of the most cost-effective options available. Since they don't open, picture windows have no moving parts, making them affordable, highly energy efficient, and virtually maintenance-free. They're perfect for highlighting outdoor views in scenic Redmond neighborhoods, letting in abundant natural light, reducing drafts thanks to their tight seal pairing with other operable windows for ventilation. Picture windows offer high-end impact without the high-end price. Energy-efficient features that don't break the bank. You don't have to overspend to improve your Redmond home's insulation and comfort. Many budget-friendly window materials, including vinyl, come with reasonably priced efficiency upgrades. Affordable enhancements include double-pane glass, more economical than triple-pane, low-E coatings that reflect heat and UV rays, argon gas fills to improve insulation, warm edge spacers that reduce heat transfer. These upgrades help maintain a comfortable indoor temperature year-round while lowering monthly energy bills. Choosing the right installer matters more than you think. Even the most affordable, high-quality window won't perform well if it's not installed correctly. Working with a trusted Redmond window professional ensures you get the most value from your investment. Professional installers help you avoid drafts caused by improper sealing, select the right window materials for your budget, maximize energy efficiency, protect your warranty and long-term performance. This makes professional installation just as important as the window itself. Affordable window replacements are within reach in Redmond. You don't have to choose between affordability and quality. By selecting the right window styles, materials, and efficiency features, Redmond homeowners can enjoy beautiful, long-lasting replacement windows that fit comfortably within their budget. Whether you're upgrading for comfort, style, or energy savings, these cost-effective options deliver excellent performance without compromise. If you're ready to refresh your Redmond home with high-value, budget-friendly replacement windows, now is the perfect time to explore your options.